Hello and welcome to Souqnews Television. We're reaching you live from our studios in Lagos. I am Olumide Shokoya. The National Health Insurance Authority (NHIA) says over 20 million Nigerians are now enrolled under its health scheme, a major leap from the 16.8 million recorded last year. The agency also expanded its coverage to include patients with HIV, tuberculosis, with pilot programs already underway in 4 states. The NHIA director, Dr. Kelechi Ohere, represented at the forum in Lagos, said the authority has surpassed its 2027 presidential target 2 years ahead of its schedule. To improve healthcare delivery, the agency is also addressing drug shortages, service delays, and has revised its tariff and accreditation systems. Nigeria's Immigration Service, NIS, has launched a new online platform for processing expatriate residence permits. The service says the digital portal will now handle all applications for its combined expatriate residence permit and aliens card, known as SEPA, starting August 1st. Physical submissions will no longer be accepted. Applicants with pending paper forms have until July 31st to submit them or risk losing the applications and payment. The move is part of ongoing reforms to improve transparency and streamline immigration services. SEPAC is a key document allowing foreigners to live and work in Nigeria. The new system is expected to simplify the application process for both individuals and businesses. The Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, says it is currently investigating 79 suspected Ponzi schemes operating across Nigeria. The Commission says billions of naira may have been lost to the Ponzi schemes, and those found guilty will be prosecuted. To prevent further scams, the SEC has launched a nationwide awareness campaign, taking the message directly to the markets, churches, and even hospitals. SEC Director General Dr. Mamotimi Agama says the new Investment and Securities Act signed by President Tinubu now imposes tougher penalties, including a 20 million naira fine and jail term of up to 10 years for anyone promoting illegal investment platforms. The public is advised to avoid unregistered schemes and verify all investment products through the SEC. Now, Turkish government says a new terror group known as the Fethullah Terrorist Organization, or FETÖ, is active in Nigeria and remains a threat globally. Speaking at an event in Abuja, Turkey's ambassador-designate to Nigeria, Mehmet Paroy, alleged that members of the group are operating under the cover of humanitarian work, especially in education and healthcare. The ambassador warned that FETÖ, blamed for the failed 2016 coup in Turkey, continues to infiltrate institutions and several countries. He called on Nigeria to remain vigilant and avoid falling victims to its hidden agenda. The Gulen movement, which Turkey links to FETÖ, has been declared a terrorist organization by the Turkish government, the Organization of Islamic Cooperation, and regional blocs. Asian Development Bank (ADB) is setting up a new health platform aimed at wiping out malaria, tuberculosis, and dengue across the Asia-Pacific. The initiative, called Extending Complex and Challenging Infectious and Tropical Diseases, will combine concessional loans with grants funding from global partners to expand current treatments and introduce new ones. The project, which is still in development, will rely on collaborations between government, health agencies, and financial institutions. ADB hopes to help countries in the region eliminate 3 diseases within a decade as part of a broader push to address climate-linked health threats. Many thanks for watching. Do well to follow us on all our social media platforms and Souqnews Television. Just Africa comes up after this. I am Olumide Shokoya. Good afternoon.